Good morning and welcome to the second annual Health Equity Forum. My name is Stephen Keppel, president of PVBLIC Foundation. PVBLIC's mission is to engage leaders from around the world and mobilize action to solve our biggest challenges. We do this by creating bridges between the public and private sectors and leveraging media, data, technology, and finance to create innovative solutions. The Health Equity Forum is being proudly powered by PVBLIC. And for some of you that have been around the UN General Assembly this week and Climate Week, you may have seen a few things that are powered by PVBLIC. The SDG Media Zone downstairs that many of you walked past this morning, the Family Offices for Sustainable Development Summit, which was here in this room all day yesterday, and our Ibero-American Impact Summit, which is happening in this room tomorrow. There's no public summit or public impact forum this week. At PVBLIC, we know that in order to meet the grave challenges in front of us, we don't need to be out front. We need to power and empower our partners and programs to work together and be the best they can be at what they do. In order to spark new ideas and create lasting, impactful solutions for health equity, we need partners to create a network, and we need networks to create an ecosystem that fosters change. We're not looking to replace or compete with other events, initiatives, programs. We are looking to complement and grow them. And I think you'll see and hear a lot of that today. I'd like to thank our founding partners of the Health Equity Forum, Gilead, CN Plus, and ACAD Holdings that are helping to grow this movement. Yes, thank you. Dr. Stephen Shaya, Carmen, Enrique. This would not be possible without your leadership and vision. Our program partners, Humana and Guardant, have stepped up in a big way to support the vision of the Health Equity Forum as well, and you'll hear from them in a little bit, so thank you so very much. I'd like to close these brief remarks with a story of how this all got started. Many of you know Mr. Enrique Arbolales over here. He's a serial entrepreneur, the founder of CN Plus. He's a leader in the Hispanic business community, and health equity has been a passion of his for a long time. The health equity concept was one of the first things I heard about when I joined PVBLIC as president 4 years ago. But it wasn't until Enrique and I sat down together for a few beers or a few glasses of wine, I forget what it was, in Miami last fall that ideas turned into action. I was sharing our plans for the UN General Assembly in 2023 and what we were doing downstairs in the SDG Media Zone, and Enrique stopped me and said, let's just launch it there. Let's get this going. And so we created a program and an agenda in about 2 weeks, and we had an amazing 2-hour event in a beautiful location here on site at the United Nations with many of you in the room. And so I learned a few things from that, and I want to share with you today. One of them is be careful with having a few glasses of wine with Enrique, because you never know what you'll get signed up for. And then two, though, ideas spark action, and that's what we need more of in this world. So this year we're in this beautiful room with all of you, overlooking the river here at the United Nations during the most important week on the global calendar. There are global leaders walking these halls discussing our most pressing challenges, and you are among them, becoming part of the solution. Sometimes you need to just take the first step, jump right in and build. But you need to do it with your friends, your partners, people that encourage you and inspire you. I think you'll find a lot of that here today, and we're really excited to launch this second annual Health Equity Forum. So thank you very much.